Alright, you maggots, Henry the fucking Hoover's back and he's ready to kill. Oh, shit. It's fucking hot in here. Ah, balls. Get ready, they're coming. Ugh. Ugh. Ah. Fire! Ah. Hurry up! I'm going as fast as I can. So, Doctor, tell me how to find Henry. Using the data that you have given me, I've located Henry on a planet in the middle of the solar system. Once you enter his lair, you have to find the amulet that powers him. Destroying it should disrupt whatever is powering Henry. Therefore, we should save the universe. Yes, you will. And you'll stop the nightmares of Henry haunting this universe for eons to come. Go, Trooper, save us. Don't you worry. Me and my buddies are on. Oh shit! BB, fuck you. So in the end, Henry got what he deserved. Next time you see something suspicious in your universe, you should watch out for it, and not have me do all the hard work behind the scenes. Also, if you know someone called Craig McFarlane, tell him to go fuck himself. I really don't like him. Well, that's all for me today. Have a good night, or day.